I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to my latest video, where I'll take you on an ultimate beach adventure in France. I'm excited to show you the top-rated beaches in the country as we take a walking tour in Fort Kelvin. Once you reach the beach, you'll be rewarded with crystal clear turquoise waters, white pebbles, and breathtaking views of the limestone cliffs. Our next stop is Biarritz, a charming seaside town on the Basque coast. The Grande Plage in Biarritz is a popular spot for surfers thanks to the powerful waves.
If you want to see the hottest video cards of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
But even if you're not a surfer, you can still enjoy the beach by taking a relaxing walk on the promenade or sunbathing on the sand. Then, we'll head to the Corsican beach of Palombaga, located in Porto Vecchio. This beach is a favorite among travelers for its fine whites and crystal clear waters. The view of the mountains in the distance adds to its natural beauty. There are also several restaurants and cafes nearby where you can grab a bite to eat. Our final stop is the Plage Les Baguettes in Camargue. This wild and untamed beach stretch is for miles and is perfect for a scenic walk. You love the mix of sand dunes and greenery, and the fact that it's less crowded than other beaches in the region. It's a great place to unwind and appreciate the beauty of nature. As our beach adventure comes to an end, I hope you enjoyed this walking tour of the top-rated beaches in France. Remember to leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you want to share your own travel experiences. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting travel content.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!